Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2015 Ford Transit 7-passenger van. Beautiful colors, tectonic silver metallic. It's in excellent condition, like brand new. It does have the factory towing package. 2,000 pounds of towing capacity. It's got the light hookup, backup camera. That'll make it nice if you want to pull like a small lawnmower or a golf cart. It's ready to go. It's got sliding doors on each side. It's a good alternative to minivans, a little more sporty looking. A little more of a modern look. It does have remote engine start. You just lock it, push this button twice. That's a really nice feature. You can get the air conditioning going, summer or winter. It does have a clean Carfax. I guess I did something wrong. Cut off. Probably have to unlock it twice or something. It's got power windows, power mirrors, obviously power locks. Got clean cloth seats. No sign of wear or stains. Very clean. It's got clean carpets. I've got some all-weather floor mats coming. Just ordered them today. How about the miles? 21,785 miles. It's very low miles. What is that, 5,000 miles a year or so? Got your trip computer, cruise control. Got your audio controls here on the steering wheel. It's got voice command. It's got Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. And this one's equipped with the upgraded radio. You've got navigation system, all factory. You've got your Microsoft Sync, AM, FM, Sirius satellite, CD player, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, auxiliary input. I mean, I don't know what else you would need. You get also your travel link. You can subscribe to all this, but it'll show you the weather, fuel price. It's like having the internet going down the road. Got your outside temperature, dual climate control. You just dial the temperature you want. Backup camera. It's all there. There's your climate control. It's got a 6-speed automatic with manual shift. Got a 12-volt outlet, USB, auxiliary, and that's the SD card for the navigation system. Got lots of headroom. This thing's got a tall roof. Got some storage, sunglasses holder. That's the antenna for the remote start. Got the original window sticker. Right at $30,000, so this was not a cheap van. It's got both keys. Still very clean inside and out, no issues. You have access from both sides. These seats lay down forward, flat, so you can make a nice flat surface. Get your back seat. So there's 2 in the back, 3 in the middle, and 2 in the front. And then you've got rear air conditioning controls. Keep everyone comfortable. Again, lots of headroom. These things are very roomy. They're a lot bigger than they look like on the outside. Got some good tires. There's one big back door. Let's see, here's this one. Yeah, this lays forward. And the middle seat do the same. You can see you've got vents here, keep everyone comfortable. Another 12 outlet, keep the phones and the toys going. Another vent. So everybody stays comfortable. Body's in good shape. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, plenty of power, fuel efficient. You can get up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. It's not bad for a van. And this one's got a great warranty. You've got up to January of 2021 or 60,000 miles on the powertrain left. So quite a bit of warranty left. If you're looking for a sharp van in light new condition at an affordable price, I believe your search is over. To see if this Transit is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit application is on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.